Here's something nobody talks about. Oh, you got a raise last year, maybe even a promotion. You make more money than you ever have in your life. So why does it still feel like you're broke? Why does it feel like you have less money than you did back in college, scraping by on ramen? More money, same broke feeling. Here's the psychology. There's a psychological glitch your brain runs called the arrival fallacy. Big name, simple idea. It's the belief that once you finally hit the goal, the raise, the new job, the bigger apartment, you'll feel okay, you'll feel financially safe, you'll feel like you made it. But here's the problem. The moment you arrive, the finish line moves. You told yourself $50,000 would feel like enough. You hit it. You celebrated for maybe a week. And then suddenly, $75,000 feels like the real number. So you work harder. You get there. And now it's $100,000. The finish line doesn't stop moving. And here's the part that should make you feel better. Your brain is not broken. It's not a discipline problem. It's not a willpower problem. Your brain is just running a software update that you never approved. And the name of that update is impulse. Now, layer on top of that a second glitch. This one is called hedonic adaptation. And it is sneaky. Though, here's what it means. Your brain gets used to things fast. Remember the first time you went to a really nice restaurant? The food hits the table and it feels like an event. Sparkles, excitement. You're taking pictures. You're savoring every bite. Now, fast forward 6 months. Same restaurant, same food. Oh, you're scrolling your phone while you wait for the check. Nothing changed about the restaurant. Everything changed about your baseline. And here's where it gets expensive. Because the sparkle is gone down. You don't go back to cheaper dinners. You go to a more expensive restaurant to chase the sparkle again. And then you adapt to that one too. And the cycle keeps going. Your brain isn't enjoying more. It's just raising the bar of what feels normal. Okay, so now you understand the arrival fallacy. And you understand hedonic adaptation. But here's where it gets really sneaky. Because these two glitches combined create a third problem. And it's called lifestyle creep. Lifestyle creep is simple. Every time your income goes up, your spending goes up with it. Not because you planned it. Not because you decided to. Just automatically. You used to make coffee at home. Now you grab one on the way to work every single day. You used to split the bill. Now you just pick it up. You used to fly economy. Now economy feels unbearable. None of these feel like big decisions. It's awakening. That's the whole point. Lifestyle creep doesn't announce itself. It just quietly raises your baseline until your new salary feels exactly as tight as the old one did. The last glitch is one you live with every day. It's called mental accounting. Your brain loves to sort money into little boxes. Rent money, fun money, savings. And that sounds smart until the boxes start lying to you. Here's what I mean. You get a $500 bonus. In your head, you call it fun money. So you spend it on a night out. Meanwhile, your regular budget still needs that $500 to hit the savings goal. The bonus disappears into a fun box, and the real hole in your budget stays open. Mental accounting makes money feel like it has different values depending on the label you stick on it. A dollar in the bonus jar feels different from the exact same dollar in the savings jar. So what do you do about it? First, stop honoring the lies and treat all dollars the same. Second, automate where possible. Send a slice of every paycheck to savings before you ever touch the rest. Third, build a reframe. Give yourself permission to spend from a true fun buffer only after the important jars are full. These 3 moves don't feel flashy, but they stop the finish line from sprinting away. So the next time you feel broke, even though the numbers say you're fine, remember it's not you. It's the glitch. The finish line will always try to move. Your job is just to stop chasing it. If this reframed how you think about money, follow for more, because your brain deserves better software.